are now cutting across to big breaking news. This is a connection to the accused Sanjay Rai, who will now undergo a polygraph test. Remember, viewers, yesterday the CFSL team from Delhi arrived in Kolkata and conducted psychological profiling test of Sanjay Rai, the prime accused, and now a polygraph test of him will be conducted. This is a lie detector test. That's news coming in from our Republic input team here in Delhi. It has been confirmed by our reporter reporting live from the ground. Now the prime accused Sanjay Rai, who brutalized Abhaya and killed her, will now undergo a polygraph test. Let's tell you, several voices have spoken out earlier as to how Sanjay Rai has been accused of having an aggressive attitude even with his previous wives, and those kind of instances now raising questions, of course, about his behavior psychologically speaking. So now he will undergo a polygraph test after his psychological profiling was done yesterday. Let me go back to Riyanka, who's joining live on this. Riyanka, tell us, what more information about Sanjay Rai can we expect from this polygraph test of his that will now be conducted after the Calcutta High Court order?
That's right. There will be a polygraph test that will be conducted on the accused Sanjay Rai. And when we spoke to the doctors here, they have in fact welcomed this move, and they are really hopeful that concrete evidences come out and justice can be served on time. We'll also try and speak to a few doctors, but at the moment, as you can see, this area is being emptied as the protest here comes to an end. We'll also get a word. I want to get a word from you people. A polygraph test will be done on the main accused Sanjay Rai. That is a big information coming out. It's a lie detector test that will be done on the accused. What do you have to say? Lie detector test on the accused. Do you think it's a good move by the government? Okay.
Like we will discuss until. We will discuss until.
Okay. So as of now, scenes here outside the Nirman Bhavan has really gone cold because all of them are dispersing. But definitely, what the word we had from other doctors, they are welcoming this very move.
Riyanka also talked to us about some of the demands that the doctors have been raising. Padmawati doctors have also written to the Prime Minister. 71 of them have written an open letter. Now these protesting doctors have moved and met with the Health Secretary also. Talk to us about the discussions that they have had.
At this point here, we are understanding that the doctors have dispersed, and here you can see slowly they are cleaning this area and they are dispersing from this very place because as per their colleagues, they have been asked to move and clear this place because their protest has been called off from here as of now. We'll also go ahead and speak to a few doctors. You are being dispersed from this place. क्या कहेंगे?
अभी आज जो भी हमारी मीटिंग में हुआ है, ठीक है, जो भी उसका कंक्लूजन निकला है, वो कंक्लूजन हमारे लिए इनफ नहीं है. तो जो भी इसके बाद में हमारी जो भी कॉमन मीटिंग होगी, उसके बाद में जो भी प्लान ऑफ एक्शन आएगा, वो हम प्रेस रिलीज के थ्रू सबको पहुंचा देंगे. बट या वी आर ऑन द स्ट्राइक एंड विल सी कि हाउ इट गोज.
All eyes are on the Supreme Court as well, as the hearing will be taking place tomorrow. What is your hopes?
We hope that justice will be served to our colleague who had suffered so much and injustice, and justice is delivered, and that is our main hope, that if justice is delivered, then we will have a sigh of relief that at least our main our main demand has been completed. Then we might move forward.
आपसे भी पूछना चाहूंगी, there is a news coming that a polygraph test, a lie detector test will be done on the accused Sanjay Rai. How do you see it?
देखो, ऐसा है, CBI अपनी इंक्वायरी कर रही है. वी आर डिमांडिंग जस्टिस फॉर द विक्टिम. हमें चाहते हैं कि CBI फेयर एंड ट्रांसपेरेंट इंक्वायरी करे.